been to the sea?
No, wherever.
You didn't go to the Pacific Ocean in Mexico?
No.
You did, silly, when you were a baby.
It was a long trip.
On an airplane.
It was where I want to go there right now.
Me too. Should we go to Mexico soon? And go in the ocean?
Yeah.
The beach?
Yeah. And I can bring my painting.
Who is that painting for?
Olivia. Mom, can I paint the ocean? You have pink and purple.
Why don't I write Olivia's name on here? Should I write